Hi, everybody. So this is the passage you're fixing to read for your performance task. It's called Zoos Make Birthday Cakes from Bugs, Bamboo, Melons, and More. Your job is to read through this passage. It's really not that long. You're going to read through it, and then you're going to have questions that you need to answer. These are all questions that are asking you to use your text evidence to prove it. So on your ClassKick page, you see that there's a chart that says, can you prove it? Well, that's kind of what the objective is today. The chart lists some sentence starters that you can use. Let me change my camera around so we can see it. So this is the chart on your ClassKick page. If I was lurking on question number 1, which says, according to paragraph 1, what is an orangutan? I could use one of these sentence starters to answer that question. So I might say, this says on page blank, it said. I might say in paragraph 1, it said, and then tell me what it said. What is an orangutan? These are ways to start sentences so that you can answer your questions correctly. We've used this before, so this is just a reminder. You could have also used something like based on the text. An orangutan is, All right. Think through the questions. Use your sentence starters and make sure to explain your thinking. You must use your text evidence. That's what this whole test is for. There's only 6 questions, so it shouldn't be too bad. But really think about what that question is asking you to find. Go back to your text evidence every single time. One thing I want to show you about navigating in this, because I couldn't fit the passage on every page. So when you are navigating through ClassKick, this is your first slide that you came to. Here's where you go to your next slide. This is where you're going to find your passage. This is page 1, page 2. And then you have your questions. Okay? If I want to get back to the passage, and I know that I need to look at paragraph 1, I'm going to click on slide 2. And look, it takes me right back. And then I have to remember, though, that I was on page or slide 5. So I can go back and answer my question. All right. You can use the arrows if it's easier for you. I'm good with that. Or you can hit this little button right here and it'll drop and you can pick which slide you want to go to. The passage is on slide 2 and 3. Questions are on 4 and 5. All right. Do your very best work, please. I know you can do this. I have faith in you and in your abilities. I can't wait to see what you come up with.